Hi, it's Staci here. I have a pretty awesome invitation for you today to join us in a self-empowerment young goddess workshop. If you have a daughter or you are a young goddess watching this, join us in this conscious awakening workshop that has been exclusively and collaboratively designed just for young ladies that are between the age of 12 and 18 years old. If you felt stuck in the areas of developing and embodying self-confidence, communication, and are not yet free to self-express yourself, then I believe you've landed in the perfect place at the perfect time. This is going to be a full day retreat connecting with like-minded young ladies who I like to refer to as young goddesses. From the moment you step into this workshop, you will be treated like a queen. We intend to roll out the red carpet for you and allow you to feel your way into the safe, sacred space that has been well designed and prepared for you. To open your hearts, shed the unwanted stories and comparisons that are not serving you, and come alive, free with concepts that will support you in your brand new story you're creating about yourself. Starting off the day with a tea and sweets party, connecting in self-expression sessions where you will be taken on a visual meditation journey, opening up a new way of creating a new story for your life. Interactive activities that will open your heart in a setting that will allow you to set yourself free of whatever your self-critic has been telling you. Our vegan mindful lunch will have your mind and body feel completely nourished. Together, we will embody our inner goddesses by dressing for the part. You will have your own makeup artist on this day, allowing you to feel into the true goddess that you are. This will follow up with a special photo shoot as well. So why should you register for this workshop? If you are a young lady who is ready to build your self-confidence, self-expression, and learn how to communicate in a way that comes from a place of love and compassion, learn what you want and what you don't want in your life, and finally meet a tribe of young ladies who can relate and understand you without any judgment, yet hold you to your highest and best version of yourself. Creating lifelong friendships and having the time of your life doing it, then this workshop is definitely for you. We will give you a treasure box filled with tools that embody confidence and learn how to communicate non-violently. Remember, this workshop does have a limited amount of space, and to keep it intimate and comfortable, when the space is gone, it's gone. As a result of the intimate nature of this workshop, it has already been extremely popular, and we are already 1/3 full. In fact, for the next 2 weeks, we have given you a special early bird price. For $111, this is an all-inclusive day. And if you don't feel like you've left with all the value and more than you were looking for, you can ask for a full refund. So there you have it. I have nothing more to say. Are you ready to build your confidence and truly believe in yourself? Walk away with life-changing concepts that will support all of your relationships with your parents, your teachers, family, and friends? If so, register and reserve your seat today to embrace and embody all of you. I can't wait to meet you in person soon. Aloha.